Huawei Global has released a new teaser for the Mate 80 Pro, and this time the focus is all about the camera. After previously highlighting the design of the phone, the company is now talking about what it calls true upgrades to the imaging system. From the details shared so far, it looks like the global version of the Mate 80 Pro will stay very close to the Chinese model, at least when it comes to the camera hardware. In the latest video teaser, Huawei puts a strong spotlight on its second-generation multispectral sensor. This upgraded sensor works together with a super-focusing main camera, a super-focusing macro telephoto camera, and an ultra-wide-angle lens. On paper, this already sounds like a powerful setup, but Huawei says the improvements go deeper than just hardware numbers. The second-generation multispectral sensor is designed to capture more accurate color information. Huawei claims that this new sensor does more than just make photos look vibrant. It is also built to improve video quality. Compared to the previous generation, this upgraded system can make videos look more realistic, with better color accuracy and more natural tones. According to Huawei, the Mate 80 Pro is able to handle both bright and dark scenes with ease. That means whether you are shooting under strong sunlight or in low light conditions at night, the camera should maintain clear details and balanced exposure. The teaser shows examples of night shots, daylight photos, close-up images, and pictures of subjects taken from a distance. In all cases, the images appear sharp, colorful, and free from blur or unwanted effects. Another key upgrade mentioned is the new 9th generation image signal processor, or ISP. The ISP is responsible for processing the data captured by the camera sensors. With this new generation, Huawei says it has significantly improved data processing speeds and video noise reduction. This should result in cleaner videos, especially in low-light situations where digital noise can usually become a problem. Huawei describes the Mate 80 Pro camera system as a true-to-color setup. The company says this system delivers consistent and accurate colors in every shot. In simple terms, what you see with your eyes should closely match what you capture with the camera. That is important for users who care about realistic photography, whether they are capturing portraits, landscapes, food, or everyday moments. While Huawei has not officially revealed the full camera specifications for the global Mate 80 Pro, there is a strong possibility that it will use the same hardware as the Chinese version. If that is the case, users can expect a high-end flagship camera experience without major compromises. However, there could be some differences between the global and Chinese variants in other areas. One possible change is the battery capacity. Huawei has not confirmed if the global model will carry the same battery size as the Chinese version. Another potential difference is the removal of satellite communication features. Due to regional restrictions and regulations, some advanced features available in China may not make it to global markets. There is also curiosity around the processor that will power the global Mate 80 Pro. Many fans are excited about Huawei's in-house Kirin chips. The big question is whether the company will continue using the powerful Kirin 9-30 Pro or make adjustments because of ongoing US restrictions. Huawei has not provided clear details yet, so we will have to wait for official confirmation. Overall, Huawei is clearly confident about the Mate 80 Pro's camera performance. By focusing on true-to-life colors, improved video quality, better low-light performance, and a more advanced image processor, the company is positioning this phone as a serious competitor in the flagship camera space. If the real-world performance matches the teaser promises, the Mate 80 Pro could become one of the most impressive camera phones in the global market this year.